Welcome back, fat birds. It's a crisp Wednesday morning, and I've got stuff just tore up everywhere all over the shop and outside. Let me show you around, guys, and so you know what's going on here. Yeah, so I've been working this field up here, and for a garden, and over there on the hill is going to be gardening. We got some grass I need to plant here. This field was so rough, guys, that I need to smooth it out, and we'll get some grass planted on it. And it'd be a lot easier to mow like that. Here's what we're working on today, guys, and this is a cultipacker. And I think this is long, like maybe 16 feet long, but all the discs, I don't have all the discs to it. I think I got maybe 12 feet of discs to it. So I'm just going to shorten it up and make it work like that. And the problem with this thing, guys, is this needs to be a square end right here to work with my square bearings. I don't know what you call them, pillar bearings or something. See, they look like that. That's what we're working on today. Here's the other one, and I got started on it, guys, without you. And I see how I'm cutting that into a square to work with that bearing. Come along in here, fellers. Here's my rotor tiller. And she popped on me. I got it tore apart here too. See all the gearbox that fits right in there is blew up or something. I don't know. It all flew apart. The front bearing went bad on it. I got it over here on the thing. Anyways, after that, it just chewed up. These gears aren't that bad, but the one inside is just horrendous. So I ordered a new gearbox, and I'll throw that on. If we will go over in this direction, you will see that the bayou is still incomplete, but I did, in fact, start getting the plastic back on it in the front. And it won't be long on this, guys. I would have filmed it, but the whole time all I did was look for bolts that would fit to put it together. I eventually just ended up buying some. Dirt bike's gone, guys. I sold it. So let's get started on this cultipacker. Time, fellers. In case you're wondering, I left this like this. I might get more discs to fill it in. This is in place now. I already marked the holes. When I come back, I'm going to drill the holes out and we'll bolt that up. Alright guys, that side's done. We'll do the same exact thing to the other side, and I'll flip it over and I'll show it to you guys from there. Alright guys, thought this was worth showing. This bearing, you can't knock it out from the top or whatever, you know. So what I did, I got my slide hammer hooked up to it right here. And this table's got holes in it, you know. So there you go. I got that axle bearing puller inside of that bearing. put it down here on this metal in between that table, and then I'm gonna slap it out with the slide hammer. I'm gonna explain this gap to you guys. It's so windy out here, I'll do it inside. Now my assistant will spin the rollers. First set, go ahead. And she is a lovely assistant. Second set, go ahead. Wonderful. Sorry guys, it's so windy out there. I didn't want to explain too much to you out there in the wind. I hate wind noise in a video anyways. That gap in between those discs I showed you on the axle, those discs can slide over, guys, and become tighter, and I can add more discs to it, you know, on the ends. But right now, that thing's been sitting around and they're kind of rusted up, I think, to that shaft. So I'll use it for a while, you know, get everything loose, make everything loose on it, and then I'll loosen them collars up and slide them over. Everybody should have some kind of criticism on this video. There's plenty to criticize. Everybody who watches this video should leave a comment with some kind of criticism. There must be something. And I'm going to be the first one to put a criticism in the comment section below, guys. Thanks for watching. The next thing we're going to work on is that scooter. I've got some different gears to go on it and stuff like that. The poop shuttle, if you guys will remember. And we'll work on that. So guys, it's beer 30, my favorite time of the day, and I'm going to get here in the house, and we'll see you next time.